Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily who loved to explore the forest near her home. She would spend hours wandering through the trees, looking for new and exciting things to discover. One day, while Lily was exploring, she stumbled upon a hidden clearing. In the middle of the clearing, there was a beautiful flower that she had never seen before. The flower had petals that were all different colors of the rainbow, and it glowed with a soft, magical light. Lily was mesmerized by the flower, and she gently reached out to touch it. As soon as her fingers touched the petals, a warm feeling spread through her body, and she felt a surge of energy. Lily closed her eyes and took a deep breath. She could feel the magic of the flower flowing through her veins, and she knew that something special was about to happen. When Lily opened her eyes, the world around her looked different. The colors were brighter, the sounds were clearer, and she felt a sense of peace and wonder that she had never felt before. Lily knew that the flower had changed her, and she was determined to use its magic for good. She spent the rest of the day helping others, using her newfound powers to make the world a better place. The next day, Lily went back to the clearing to find the flower, but it was gone. She searched everywhere, but she couldn't find it. Lily was sad, but she knew that the flower had given her the gift of magic, and she would never forget its beauty and power. From that day on, Lily continued to use her magic to help others. She became a beloved member of her community, and everyone knew her as